Okay, so picture says 1,000 words. So, Mr. And Mike is it? If I'm calling Mike, I hope you don't mind. I'm just looking at it. Very kind of you to put all this information up. And, there you can see it. It's basically your instructions. If you can hear me, your instructions, how to do it. So anyway, here's what we've got. So I'm down to about with your Windows file browser looking at the directory, find install H. Right click on the install SH icon. Well, there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna right click that now. I've done this before. Right clicked it, nothing's much happening. Right click it twice. Open with mousepad. I think you go down to the bottom, it says over here, it says point to permissions at the top of the window. Well, actually at the bottom, but execute should have a check mark already to allow execution file the program. If not, check it. Close Windows you opened. Then open the console. Swipe it first. We go back over here. We got our properties. So we got our properties. Permissions. I suppose that's the bit we got to go for. Permissions. Allow this file to run the program. It's ticked. Allow an untrusted program to run all your security. Oh dear. We got access read only. Others read only. I don't know if they're what's supposed to be. Write as well. Should there be? Group pie. Access read and write pie. Permissions. Blah blah blah. So we'll close that. Or have you got to click it to do anything? No, I think it's set. So we close that. So this file now should be executable. Install sh. But you go back over here. It says open console. Type cd / type, is that ls? Okay, let's do the console bit. So we got a console, and so the rights again. Now what's it? Type cd. We know it's executable, we know that. So we should be getting down to type sudo install sh super is a super. But so it should be a comma or something there, because it says sudo install sh if it's on this file. If I can get to that file, or in that sort of boot, I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Should install SBC. So to get it install, type sudo install sh, right? Yep. I hope that's right. Try that. Command not found. I don't know what to do now. How to install, that's what I said in the post. I can't do it. Anyway, never mind. Later.